Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday the 12th, and we made it through the week so far. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing to do today, coming from my good friends at Douni on Amazon Prime. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. You guys can get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. We're about to see what it is. Go. One cut here and cut here. There we go. And now they have to offer you guys, bada boom, Douni. Looks like a Bluetooth speaker, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. A7 Douni. There we go. Take a look inside. If you guys want to hear the sound quality on this, click on over to my Instagram page and take a listen. Just because of copyright on here and copyrights Facebook, so for some reason Instagram's more chilled about having music. So if you guys want to hear it, click on over. There we go. But we'll see what it looks like and all that good stuff. Good old Bluetooth. Can never have enough of these. Uh-oh. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Wait. Come on. Shake, shake, shake. And I got this snugged in pretty good. Gotta be special. There we go. Alright. Manual. Don't need. Getting really good at these Bluetooth setup, charge, boom. Speaker tower, power. There, boom, boom. Bluetooth. Awesome. Quick reference guide. Don't need that. Here she is. Uh-oh. Nice wedge. There we go. We got it. We got it. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. You guys can get one of these at a low cost. Ooh, a little heavy. Not bad. We got some USBs. And we got the 3.5 audio jacks it comes with. I'll hook up your other stereos to it. Switch and all that. There we go. Nice gray silver. There that. There's a power button. Audio. Aux. USB. Boom. Boom. So I got the normal grips. Looks like that. And oh, conference call. Play. Volume up. Volume down. Memory. Next. Skip the tracks. NFC charge. Ooh, nice. Here we go. Like I said, power. Should be juice in there. No juice. No juice. Nope. Needs to be charged. Shoot. Okay, dokie. Like I said, though, full sound review will be on my Instagram page. There's a speaker, back, side. Good stuff. So you guys can get this at a low cost. So click on the links, check them out. Be compatible with Alexa, pretty much everything. So Google Chrome, Google iPads, iPhones, tablets, laptops, PlayStation, PSPs, all that good stuff. Always hook these up. There's that. Not sure about the charge time. Actually, I'll take a look. Charge time and all that good stuff. lithium battery. What else? What else? Charge. Give me 2 seconds. I'll figure this out. It doesn't tell. It's on the inside. Oh, here we go. You can rock out with up to 12 hours consecutive playing. 50% volume, so if you turn it up higher to the max, it'll go down quicker. Aux, Bluetooth, and NFC with Seer function. And then that's about it. So check them out, YouTubers. Douni A7. And get one of these at a low cost. Have a good weekend. Be safe. See you tomorrow. See ya.